Hello and welcome to A-Level Geography. I'm Miss Lodwick, I'm Head of Geography here at South Bromsgrove. A-Level Geography is a really diverse subject. There are lots of different aspects to it which allow it to cater and to hopefully interest a wide range of students. It's split into two sections. So we have the physical geography section and the human geography section. Our physical geography section entails 3 different units, 2 of which you may have seen at GCSE, but 1 you definitely won't have. So the first unit we start with is water and carbon cycles. So we look at the role that these cycles play on planet Earth and the impacts that they can have. Predominantly, this leads us to flooding in relation to the water cycle and climate change in relation to the carbon cycle, 2 issues that are incredibly important living in the UK at the moment. Additionally, we look at coastal systems and coastal processes. So you may have studied this at GCSE and we build on what we've looked at there. Again, we live on an island. The coast is never far away from us. So it's important to understand what's happening and how we can manage this. Finally, on the physical side of the unit, we look at natural hazards. So this is all things earthquakes, volcanoes, tropical storms and wildfires. What causes them, what the problems are, and how we can manage them to make sure that we can reduce the death tolls from them. On the human side of geography, we look at increasing issues that affect our globe. So we start with urban environments. Urban populations are growing year on year, so it's important to understand that the impact that they have and how best we can manage them. We also look at global systems and global governance. So we look at how the world is shrinking to all intents and purposes and how we manage that, how the world is run through trade and politics. And finally, we look at changing places. So we look at people's concepts of place, what we can do about this, and why different people have different concepts of place. That forms 2 exams, both worth 40% each. The final form of assessment is a piece of coursework. You choose the title. We just help essentially make sure that you're going to have a good quality piece of fieldwork with a methodology that works. The rest is up to you. Throughout the 2 years, we take you on 3 separate field trips. We take you to Cardingmill Valley in the beginning of year 12 to look at river infiltration rates and how that affects the water cycle. We look at currently, we go to Gloucester to look at urban change and to introduce a lot of fieldwork techniques. And then the kind of most exciting one, the one I think is the best field trip we run across all 5 years here at South, is our residential to Swanage. So we take you away for 2 nights, 3 days to look at essentially the geographer's playground that is the Dorset coast. We visit Swanage Bay, Chesil Beach, Durdledore, Lulworth Cove and Studland Bay. If you're interested in doing A-Level Geography, please speak to your current geography teacher or get in touch with one of us, and I'm sure we'll be able to answer any questions you have. I look forward to seeing you soon.